Hey guys, I had a chance to go to the wrecking yard with Dan the other day and took a little bit of footage just to see what's going on there, and Dan and I were in there getting some wheels for his Oldsmobile. Sorry about the wind noise, we tried to mitigate it the best we could, but it was very windy. Nevertheless, I enjoy a junkyard tour, hope you guys do too. Coming up on the weekend, we're doing more work on this 51 Kaiser. Yeah, some surprises, not all good news there, but I hope you're looking forward to it. Okay, enjoy. Cheers. Right on. Little junkyard trip with Dan today to get some what do you need, Dan? More Cadillac wheels. And just saw this sweet old Grand Wagoneer. Is it burnt? No, it's just dirty.
It's just dirty. That's just been sitting outside a really long time.
It's more or less all there. Yeah, it's a shame.
Yeah, oh well.
Yeah. It's been sitting outside for 10 to 20 years. Hey guys, the wind is going to be brutal, so I don't know how much this will be able to use, but sitting in the wrecker today. What year is this one, Dan? Anyway, it's like 52.3 Cadillac convertible. I think a lot of these are extra inventory from Andre's auction last year. Here we have what looks like a 47. Yeah. So awesome. What a shame, eh? Cadillac V8. Oh, carb's still there. Pistons are out. Another convertible. This is crazy, you know? Like,
There's another rank right there.
and another one. When's the last time you went to the junkyard and there was 3 early 50s Cadillac convertibles? Another one here. Is this is like a 49. Jesus, this car, it's just tragic, eh? Like, in good shape, this is a 6-figure car.
In this shape, it's a 3-digit car.
In this shape, it's $700, but still, like, if a guy only had a way of just magically transporting, look at all this hardware is all chrome plated, and that's all
messed, isn't it?
cast and forged stuff. Like, you can't just make that very easily. But she's so far gone. Look at it, eh? Wow.
This car seems off.
Yeah, but wow.
Look at the engine of this car.
Car's solid, dude.
Look at the engine. It's painted orange and stuff. It's got chrome pulleys on it. Somebody literally pulled the heads off here at this auto wrecker.
No, eh? Yeah, that was a running engine until recently.
What size bolt on the crank do you think? 3/4?
Yeah. Maybe a guy should pull the distributor cap and a few things that are easy to get. Wow, this is a shame, eh? Look at it's got a funky 70s job. Oh, here comes the forklift guy. Yeah, this thing is crazy. Look at how straight that caddy is.
I know.
That's just sad. Just sad. Oh, we don't have enough to get that molding off. That's what you need. We only got about 30 seconds here, but I thought we'd have a quick look at what's in the store. Hey, look at that. It's an Oldsmobile. Did you see the olds here, Dan? Shit, that's a complete engine in that. This is, I believe, 1954 or 5. Cool. And town cars, a whole bunch of them. And 1950 Dodge. Might have to see if there's a couple of pieces on this for mine, but these are not particularly rare. This is a Canadian Dodge Plymouth Dash, you can see. Looks like it's got tires that are holding there. No, that never hurts. That means tubes. Couple of old Volkswagens. The nice bumpers. I'll have to get a picture of that to Jim. As far as I know, those bumper overriders are not everywhere. And I believe 58 or 9 DeSoto Fireflight. Yeah, that's cool. Kind of a shame, pretty far gone. But still lots of good parts on that. That's really cool. And caddies everywhere. Look at that. What? This is just tragic, eh? Look what somebody's done, eh? Just keep her on the road. Man, that's too bad, but that car is soft. It almost broke in half when the tractor guy picked it up, but anyhow, this is just tragic. I hate seeing these caddies here like this, but even this one, I was hoping he wouldn't damage this molding because he was kind of pushing it around, eh?
It's still the same. They still got the same mark it did before. It never does.
Is this for us?
Yeah.
Cool. Another fun day at the wrecker. Well, we don't have much time today, or we'd get a much closer look at everything, but yeah, I think we've seen a lot of this stuff before, but some of those caddies. Oh, here's another caddy, a Coupe de Ville. Is that like a 57?
Sure looks like it. Yeah, it is.
Jesus, what a shame. Pacer wagon, cool. Oh man, a 57 Coupe de Ville.
I got reviews on this car before. Those are the big whites on the caddy.
Oh yeah. Oh, this was at the auction, yeah. What a shame. So many of those cars ended up here. It's not even rusty. You see that? What a tragedy. Well,
can't save them all.
Can't save them all, guys. We're trying, but I'm out of room. Dan's out of room too. But he's still buying. Didn't you buy another one? Oh. Top secret.
Well, Paul technically bought it, so.
Technically it was Paul,
yeah,
so Dan's okay. Yeah.
Month.
Guess it means I owe you a few dollars.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm still holding on to that 30-day card, right? 30 days of sobriety.
Oh man. How many hours have we spent here since you were kids, eh? Like all of your life, eh? Like,
hours.
We have been here. Kyle used to work here, if anybody doesn't know. We spent our lives here. I love this place.
We're trying to reorganize, but they shrunk the yard quite a bit.
Yeah, it won't be here much longer. Dan's fresh back from the Cadillac auto wrecker that he found. And look at what comes up at the old wrecker.
Is it the same or no? Oh.
That's it, yeah.
Is it the same length? Let's see.
Yeah, absolutely it is. You can count the number of little fins on it too. That's it.
It's like exactly to a T.
Yeah.
And that's how the quarter should be.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. That's it. And a great gauge for fixing the panel too.
Oh.
There's
still a wash nest in it.
Is there?
Yeah.
I found a huge one at my house yesterday.
This car is pretty cool.
Oh my god, is it ever?
Skirts. The guy had skirts.
Yeah, yeah.
So many skirts.
But that is great news on those.
Right? Like.
Now there's some screw holes here. Oh, that's for that. Okay. So you're saying that the stainless piece just
No,
clips.
it screws on. Look at it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, there you go.
So we're just going to do this.
So we're just going to do that for now. Yeah, you don't even have to roll the window down.
Oh, you know what? He had a passenger window frame for a 53, and I'm like, I think mine's okay. No, it's definitely not.
Well, did it have glass in it? That'd be even better.
No, nothing ever has glass in it.
Yeah. Man, anyway, I've gone on about this car enough. Isn't that amazing, eh? Mm-hmm. What a car.
Just to get some extra pieces for it and, you know, put them kind of...
Yeah, put them aside.
Yeah, slowly put them aside, right?
Oh,
yeah.
Man, I love this thing.
Looks good right here, too.
What's with this, got a garden shed going up here, eh?
A small garden shed, yeah. Yeah.
Oh my. Future home of GCFCE Golf Dome.
Yeah. Damn near, okay?
Holy, isn't that amazing? Man. Somebody's winning the garage contest here.
How many cars can you get in end to end?
All of the cars.
Uses like this and cars in the back 15. That's something, hey?
That's just outrageous. Hey guys, thanks so much for checking it out. I just got back from picking up another load of t-shirts from the printer, so if you're still waiting for your shirt, not to worry, they're going in the mail as fast as we get them. Thanks so much everybody who bought one. Very happy with how they turned out, and the quality of the printing is excellent. So anyway, they're on their way. I apologize that it's taking a little bit of time, but they're doing such a nice job that I'm not complaining. We're back on Saturday. More updates on the Buick and the 51 Kaiser, and of course the 1960 Impala Splice, and of course more of the Menace dog. Okay, see you then. Right? You gonna be in the video on Saturday? Well, I hope so too. This is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.